At exactly 4:12 a.m., something impossible happens. The sky changes, not gradually, not naturally, but instantly. A second sun appears in the sky, bright enough to turn night into day within seconds. People around the world wake up confused. At first, many think it is a mistake, a reflection, a satellite flare, a scientific error. But within minutes, it becomes clear. This is real. There are now two suns in the sky. No explanation, no warning, no time to prepare. Just light everywhere. Scientists begin to panic. Observatories across the world confirm the same thing. A massive luminous object, identical in brightness to the sun, now exists in Earth's sky. And it is not moving. It stays fixed in position, as if it is watching Earth. Within hours, temperature readings begin to change. Some regions become warmer instantly. Others begin to experience unnatural climate shifts. The balance of Earth's atmosphere begins to break. Weather systems that took millions of years to stabilize begin to collapse. But the most disturbing part is not the heat. It is the light. For the first time in human history, there is no real night. Even when one sun sets, the other remains. Cities that once slept in darkness now glow constantly under eternal daylight. Human biology begins to react immediately. Sleep cycles are disrupted across the planet. Animals become confused. Birds stop migrating correctly. Nocturnal species lose their natural behavior completely. The Earth is no longer in balance. It is adapting or breaking. Within the first few days, scientists detect something even more alarming. The second sun does not behave like a normal star. It does not follow orbital motion. It does not drift across the sky. It remains locked in place, as if artificially positioned. This raises a terrifying question. Is this natural or engineered? No one has an answer. After 1 week, the effects become global. Heat waves spread across continents. Ice caps begin melting at an accelerated rate. Sea levels begin rising faster than predicted. Some regions become nearly uninhabitable during certain hours of the day. Human civilization begins to adapt rapidly. Cooling systems become more important than heating. Energy consumption skyrockets. Agricultural patterns shift as crops struggle under constant light exposure. But something deeper is happening. Earth is no longer divided into day and night. Time itself feels different. Humans begin to lose their natural sense of rhythm. Without darkness, the mind struggles to rest. Mental fatigue increases. Stress levels rise globally. Even emotions begin to change. After 1 month, Earth is no longer the planet it once was. Some regions become permanently dry due to excessive heat. Others become unusually fertile due to constant light exposure. Nature begins to evolve differently. Plants grow faster, but unpredictably. Some species adapt, others vanish completely. Animals begin to shift behavior dramatically. Some become active all the time. Others retreat underground to escape constant brightness. The ecosystem is breaking apart and rebuilding itself at the same time. Humanity begins to realize something shocking. We are not just observing a cosmic event. We are inside a transformation. After 3 months, governments attempt large-scale adaptation strategies. Massive reflective structures are built. Cities redesign architecture to block excess light. New technologies are developed to simulate artificial night. But none of it fully works, because the second sun remains unchanged, unmoved, unanswered, unexplained. After 1 year, Earth has permanently changed. Entire regions have shifted climate zones. Some places are now tropical deserts. Others have become newly habitable zones. Civilization reorganizes itself around survival under constant light, and humanity begins to forget what true night felt like. Children born after this event will never experience real darkness, and that realization changes everything, because darkness was never just absence of light. It was rest. It was balance. It was part of life itself. Now it is gone. The second sun still remains in the sky, silent, still, unchanging, and the question that scientists still cannot answer remains. Did it come by chance, or was it placed there for a reason? Because if something can appear without explanation, it can also disappear without warning. And humanity is now living under a sky it does not understand, a sky that may never return to what it once was. If Earth truly has two suns, then Earth is no longer the same world. It is something new, something unknown, and something humanity may never fully understand.